Kiss Grammy.
Kiss Grammy. Wait talaga. Like that. Okay. Oh, dirty nga. See your face. Look. Yeah. Oh. Second day in Tokyo.
Inaantok na to.
Oh. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy na?
Kasi yesterday, he was like that and then he fell asleep.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys don't talk.
Uh-oh. Boo-boo. 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 Wet. Wet. Yeah, wet Ethan? Oh, wet Ethan.
Hi, baby.
Exit on the left. Yes.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Somebody crying.
Some.
Ethan likes it pala. At least Ethan likes
Yeah. No. He's hungry. Yay! Yay! Clap your hands.
You like that?
Yay!
Oh, you have more. Okay, so I want you to throw.
That's good enough now.
Alright, Ethan, I'll watch Daddy.
Oi, 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 oi. You like bike? Bicycle? Bicycle? O ipit? You gonna ipit?
Ethan, some
Egg?
egg.
Good.
Ay, ayaw. Gusto niya yung scallop. Yung isa daw.
Ito raw. Oh.
Yummy? He likes scallop.
Yeah.
You are my child.
Okay. Grilled naman to, di ba?
Dang.
Ay, may lemon.
How is it?
Good.
0 out of 10.
8.
How about you? 0 out of 10.
7.
Soya beans.
Soya beans. Like soybeans?
Soybeans.
Soybeans? You eating soybeans?
Done.
Yeah, yummy?
People like it.
His appetite. He's coming back.
This one.
Someone's coming back.
Ah, matcha. Matcha. Ay, matcha.
Matcha. Ano? 0 out of 10.
Wala nang 10.
What is it?
It's good.
What is it? 0 out of 10.
8.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a
sweet.
good, solid 7 out of 10.
7. 0 out of 10.
10, baby. Good.
10? 10 is like a premiere. You think that's 10?
We'll try to square me again.
I
What is that?
What color?
What color?
Green.
Why?
What color?
Uncle.
How many different flavors have you eaten?
Pink.
Pink.
Oh, sige, try it.
What color?
Green. Green.
Blob.
Wipe now, wipe.
Your face. Blob. Okay, wipey.
Wipe now, wipe. Wipe.
Premiere is way better. But it's good.
Some? Say please.
Good.
Happy camper.
Ayaw na lang.
What color is that?
What color? Green.
Hello, mommy.
Hi. Baby ice cream.
Baby ice cream.
Selfie na.
Squishy face. Squishy face. Oh. Whoa. Hi. I love you.
Ayan, there's the wagyu.
$2 orange, but look how perfect. Open it. Oh, yeah. Someone's been fuzzy, then knocked out. Oh, it says Tsukiji.
Try the 3 different pieces.
Oh yeah, so you can see the difference.
Okay.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, because then it's 700.
Yeah.
How do you do it?
Oh,
You
that's
ask.
right.
Like this. Just want to bite. A bite of the fatty.
Bite of each.
Okay. I'll have a bite of the lean. Lean.
Oh, you don't like to put the toyo? Soy sauce?
What'd you think? Oh, that's not the fatty tuna one.
Yeah, it's lean.
Okay.
You wouldn't like it. Just a fish.
Okay.
Medium. Do you want a bite? Set.
You can put the soy sauce.
That is good.
Not bad with
Good.
the
That
soy
is good.
sauce.
That is good.
This is the patty.
Okay, let me know.
Good enough. Yeah.
Daddy, this one?
Just take the whole thing.
No.
Yeah.
How is it?
Good. I like it.
Okay.
Don't eat the lean one.
No, I'm not gonna eat it. No, I'm just taking a video.
Try it if you like it. Oh, really? Fresh. Good enough now.
Is it getting better and better?
Yeah,
bite.
fatty is the best one.
Right, the most.
Is that ruined?
We'll get that one. These are yours. Josh doesn't want.
Jessica, can you eat the lean? Can you eat the lean one? I'll eat the lean.
No, Jason didn't even get a fatty.
Oh, I don't like
The middle one.
I like the middle.
Yeah, the middle.
Just eat the middle. Or the lean.
I'll just eat the one. Okay, I can eat that one too.
I'll eat the middle. Cheers.
I'll eat the middle, Joe.
The middle. Medium fat.
You can buy both.
Medium fatty or fatty?
You know what, fatty? Get out of my face, fatty.
I think you're fatty.
Get out of my face, fatty.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat that plain one.
Yeah, you can eat the lean one.
So you just gonna, yeah, you just gonna get cut. They're gonna cut it for $19.
Yeah, this is your last chance.
They're gonna cut it for you.
Or should I get that?
Jason's gonna get it.
Alright, Jackson, let's go.
And all fatty.
That's not fatty?
Yeah, eat some.
Fatty tuna. Fatty boys.
Fatty boys.
Raw food.
Oh yeah, that was my
Oh, you don't like sushi? Okay.
Okay.
Even oyster, I can't eat it like that.
Really?
Yeah.
I like
Gotta be steamed.
Oh, I like raw oyster. It'll help your
Okay,
immune
bye.
system.
One. Cheers. That's it for me.
It's really good.
One more, just one more.
No, you have two.
Just one more.
Make it two more, Josh.
One more. I need help eating.
Maybe two more.
0 out of 10.
Yeah, 9.
Dang,
Very good.
it's pretty high.
last. I'll get it on me.
Okay, go. Eat. Go.
Okay. Shh. Ayaw na itan na umod.
See?
There. Okay.
What's up? Give me one. Let's try it.
Good, huh?
No, I don't know how to use it.
Let's put it in Daddy's mouth.
See? I told you.
Good.
How's it, Dave?
Good. Daddy's not saying anything.
Daddy wants to spit it out. They don't want to be rude. Good, Justin?
Good.
New shoes, new pain.
I look good.
I know, I really like your shoes.
Fashion is pain.